I believe in people. I believe in the good that's inside of all of us. And I truly believe that we all have the ability to raise our standards and be better tomorrow than we are today. If we can all just find a way to tap into our personal power, that power that we all have inside of us. And if we can continue to build on our skills and our knowledge and not let fear define us or be a part of our lives, fear can be a strong and powerful enemy. But the truth about fear, it only has the power that we give it. And if we don't give it power, it has no power. We have to find a way to push past the limits that we set ourselves. Because on the other side of that is our growth, our success. I'm not saying that we're not going to experience failure or defeat sometime. But failure is not final, and defeat is not the end. There have been times in my life where I wasn't confident. And then I realized it's not my confidence that takes me through, it's my courage. It's my courage that's going to get me to the other side. Find a way to be courageous in your life. We all can do better. And I believe there's another level that we all can reach. With my experience serving our country in the military, playing college and professional sports, and working in corporate America, I truly believe that I have the skills and the knowledge to assist you in getting to the next level. Let me help you get there.